Guys, ayaw tayong papasukin dito sa MOA. Hi guys, this is our first episode of
Together na nasa lab.
of us doing life together. And today we're getting ready kasi first time namin pupunta sa Mall of Asia na kaming tatlo lang.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's gonna be so chaotic.
We're gonna do a series of this thing called Tadhana. Doing life for the first time.
Living for the first time.
Living,
Because
doing life for the first time.
Yeah, living for the first time.
We are all living for the first time, right?
But we don't know if we had a past life.
Yeah.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Celia, you want makeup as well? Oh, you can use Ate's makeup. That's it.
I think I have blush blindness. Yeah, I have blush blindness because I'm blind right now.
Ate's wearing the BLK Kids Cosmetics. Eto.
Yung blush lang.
Yes.
Kasi meron bigay sa akin si BFF na ano.
Na lip gloss.
Yeah, pero
For
nagsistain
kids
siya.
yun. Si Zee,
Ayun din.
she can use this because this is for kids.
Lip gloss din yung bigay mo.
Wow!
How do I remove this?
No. Twist it and lick. No, don't lick.
We're gonna have a trip to the hospital.
Ano yung buhay mo?
But how do I remove the lip gloss?
Don't remove it.
Blindness. Is that too much?
Don't eat it, ah! Just do like this, oh. Yes. No, you don't. It will automatically be removed. Just let it be. Let it go.
Let it go! Leave it alone.
Yeah, when the time is right. When you grow up, are you gonna, make up yourself? Make up yourself? Thank you so much! What are you doing? Okay, may nose line na ba tayo? I'm using chisel sa Easy Cosmetic. Right? There's no smell.
What is it? Easy to smell.
Easy Cosmetics. Sazon!
Ako, Shopee delivery.
Thank you so much. Oh, Careline. Tapos, siya, magic siya. Nagiging pink siya. Ito yung favorite ko ngayon na, blush on. Very natural lang yung itsura nito. Tsaka, nagtatagal to. And my lipstick. Tagal ko na tong lipstick. Baka nga, na to expired na to eh. From Maybelline. Parang 5 years na yata sa akin. That's it.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys!
Bye!
We're here at Mall of Asia. First, we need to find the event. Kaya kami nagpunta dito sa MOA kasi yung event na parang mga craft something, yun yung pupuntahan namin here.
Ay, nagandahan na.
Yes. Si ate nag-request nun, nakita niya somewhere down the road. There's no event. Guys, we found the event. It's here. Andun pala siya sa dulo. So, let's go downstairs. Magde-design ka ng mga tote bags. Oh. Cute! For 100. Ay, ikot muna tayo. Sige. Kita ba? It's nice. It's cute to, mga watch. This one's nice. May photo booth rin dito. Store. Ganda ng mga zodiac signs, oh. Ang cute. Ang cute. Let's do this, guys. Meron silang ganyan, no, kaso bawal si Z. Dakyo. Yung pwede kang mag-iba-iba ng kung gusto may iba yung strap, ganun. Guys, ayaw tayong papasukin dito sa MOA kasi sabi nila underage daw ako. Hindi sila naniniwalang 30 plus years old na ako. Like, life begins at 40 na ako eh. Pag ganun na yung age ko eh. Ayaw nila akong papasukin. Sa lahat daw ng mall, bawal daw ang underage. Pero yung pupuntahan namin cafe culture, pero ang gaganda ng mga cafes here. Yung cute, what's this? Butter Manila.
Hindi ko pwede.
So, ito yung mga stores, oh. Ang cute. Oh, oo nga. Cute dito guys. Okay, maybe it's here outside. Let's check.
To Z's outfit.
Wow! It's a beach? It's shining?
Yeah. It's doing the glitter shine.
Yeah. Wow! Okay, we found the cafe culture right there.
Wow.
Magte-take out ako ng ganito. I want this of pork
Me too.
roll. Dalawa po na ganito. May smaller bill. Ate, do you have 140? Magkano na utang ko sa'yo? 200 na? Thank you so much. Let's go.
Just that tear goes inside my mouth.
Ano daw?
Na ano niya daw to na.
Nakain mo to? Na-eat mo?
No.
What?
It just go to my mouth.
Accidentally?
Yeah.
It went to your mouth? Yikes! Yikes! Sabi? Oh yeah!
Is it close to deer? I cannot hear.
Wow!
So easy.
It's hard? Okay, I ordered Aloha. Z ordered classic cheese and Amira ordered
Kind of one.
pepperoni. Ate eating the spring roll.
I don't want to taste it. I'm going to feed me that. It's sauce. I'm gonna touch.
First purchase. Ate bought the mystery pouch. Ito po. Wow! Magkano po lahat? Look! It's nice! Wow! School supplies. Gonna be golden. Wow! Careful naman! Cute! We're gonna do quick haul. Quick haul lang sa nabili namin sa event. Chibaku. Hindi ko alam kung saan niya nakita yan pero sa TikTok daw. Ito yung napakamahal na
200.
flower clip. It's 250. Parang nagulat ako like, ha? 250 to? For summer. Huwag ka magpakita ulit ng mukha. The Pochi. Ayan. Ito. Pin.
Matching namin.
Matching ng BFF niya. This one, the DIY flower bouquet. May ganito rin si Z, kaso nasa baba. Super cute. Ikaw mamimili ng flowers, yung ribbon, yung chain, ganyan. Or pwede
Meron
rin
din hook.
magnet. Cute yung magnet kasi may vase siya na maliit. Tapos ididikit mo siya sa ref. Dapat pala kumuha ako ng ganun, no? Pag nakakita ako ng ganun, kukuha rin ako. Para pag nagkaroon ako ng bahay.
Reveal.
Bahay reveal. That's the last one. Uy, may coins ako. Coins ko ba to? Coins mo. Coins mo pala yan. Magpakita para mag-focus.
I love
Ayan.
my dog.
Matcha everyday.
I love
Tsaka,
matcha.
kamatis of course. Alam nyo, nagpapapak yan ng kamatis. Favorite niya yung malalaking kamatis. Tapos pinapapak niya.
And TikTok.
Yes.
I'm gonna check out their page.
Ay, dad pala kinuha natin
Cute.
yung mga IG.
Hindi ko lang nakikita niya ang design. Keep smiling.
Bracelet. The Lucky Charms
Oh my gosh.
perfume. Ayan, mga beads. Ay, pumunta lang kami sa National Bookstore kasi bibili dapat kami ng felt paper ni Amira kaso wala siya. Window sticker. De-design namin dito sa windows. Oh yeah.
We have painting palette for flowers. So cute. This is
Yeah.
ano.
Magpe-painting
Hindi
kasi
na-
sila.
We have origami paper. Di nyo alam, I like origami.
Yeah, she loves origami.
Barbies for Z.
You have lots of pens! Like, what are you gonna do with all of this?
You don't know how many pens I use in school year. We always write. Lagi kami
How
nag-write.
many? Loose? Tapos ang mamahal ng ballpens niya, tapos ilulus niya lang. Ha? Buti sana kung 5 pesos lang tong mga to. But no, it's more than 50. It's more than Kinemerut.
I checked the prices.
Oh yeah, bakit? 70 yan. 70, 70. Tapos mga ano. Magkano?
Ay, ano pala to? Papermate pala to.
Oo,
Hindi ko napansin.
kaya mahal. Kala mo I checked
Hindi ko
the
napansin.
price. Don't lose that!
Okay. Gagamit kay Leah.
Bumili na kami ng
Side
notebooks
zip.
for school.
Pang ano niya to, pang drawing niya.
Actually, hindi namin nabili yung cute na mga folders. Hindi pala yun pwede.
Wala
Walang
kasing
butas sa
butas.
taas. And hindi siya malalagyan ng maraming papers. Ganon mo na lang. Pare-paras lang naman yan. Like, different colors lang siya. Oh, may ano ganyan. Oh. Pero may melody lang siya lahat.
Yeah, I love that movie.
Na-miss niya mag-cellphone. Meron siyang 1 hour to play.
Because somebody unfollowed me. Maybe it's the pink one.
In real life, friends come and go.
Maybe it's the pink
Okay.
one. Nagbibigay ka na ng lesson sa mga nanonood.
Kasi may nag-unfollow daw sa kanya sa Roblox. Sabi ko, it's fine. Eh, super sad siya. Kaya sabi ko, sa real life, meron kang mga friends na mawawala, may bagong dadating, may mawawala. And at the end of the day, sarili
It's
mo lang
night.
talaga yung makakasama mo.
At the end of the day, it's night.
Yeah, at the end of the day, it's night. And we're going to sleep.
Let that sink in.
Don't.
Somehow with two legs. Yung lababo.
We're gonna end the vlog here. See you again next time. Bye! Thank you for watching! Meron pala ako ditong pang-end. Bye, guys!